Long before maps was drawn, the roads were carved. This place already knew its name. Hello guys, join me as I explore some beautiful places in Ghana. And in today's video, we are visiting the famous and the tallest waterfall in West Africa, Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls. Wli Waterfalls is located in Hohoe, a vibrant town in the Volta region known for its rich culture. Often called the gateway to the Western Highlands, it sits between rolling hills and lush forest, which gives it one of the most scenic backdrops in the country.
Alright guys, so we are at Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls. We are about to climb a hike to the Wli Waterfalls. If you're here, you can see it up there. I don't know if you can see it. So we are going to head over there very soon. Make sure you stick and stay.
During my visit, one thing I noticed was Hohoe is deeply rooted in Ewe culture. The town grew as a trading and administrative center and later became an important stop during the colonial era, especially because of its proximity to routes linking Ghana to Togo. Today, it serves as the municipal capital of Hohoe municipality, making it a key hub for governance, education, and commerce in the area. As you can see, the journey wasn't easy at all. From the ecotourism center to the waterfall was about 45 to an hour walk, and it wasn't easy at all. One thing that really stood out for me was how clean Volta was. Every city was clean. So in this video, you can see dustbins located at every vantage point so you don't end up littering everywhere, and that was superb.
Nice. Still hiking. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Guys, so we are here to see the Wli Waterfall. It's a beautiful
9 bridges,
natural scenery. There is 9 bridges here, and you can hear the sound of the waterfall. This is beautiful, guys. Can you see the waterfall behind? What? This is beautiful. What? Wow. Where are the bats?
Look at them. Why?
Wow.
The Wli Waterfalls is the highest waterfall in West Africa, located in Ghana. The falls is known locally as Agumatsa Waterfalls, meaning allow me to flow. It is located in the Hohoe municipality of the Volta region, the land of the Ewe culture. It is approximately 280 kilometers from the capital, Accra. It was found by a group of hunters who presumed the sound of the falls was a talking drum sounding and ran towards the noise only to find that it was a waterfall. Wli Waterfall is an 80 meters in height. What really sets Hohoe apart? It's its natural heritage. It's the main base town for visiting Wli Waterfalls, the highest waterfall in West Africa, as well as nearby attractions like Mountain Afajato, Ghana's highest mountain. Because of this, Hohoe has become a quiet but important center for ecotourism.
What's good, guys? So we are live inside Wli Waterfalls in the Volta region. If you walk through it, you are mostly in Togo. You are almost in a different country, and it's a great experience. I won't lie to you. You need to come and experience this, you know. See all this beauty. See all this beauty. It's very beautiful. See all this beauty. You need to come and experience it. You need to come and enjoy it. There are people having fun. So anytime you come to Ghana and you need a place to go hike, see beautiful tourist sites of Ghana, Wli Waterfalls should be part of the places you should look out to. And Wli is in the Volta region. Volta region is very green. They have good roads, good roads. So you guys need to come in. Let's lock it up. All right.